Well, while we were in Mombasa, or rather while we were in Coast, you can see the waters. This is Kilifi, just at the beach. I was like, let me go do some henna because I love henna. I just love how it usually looks. We had some good view while she was preparing the mix. I just had to show my hand. Now she's starting to draw. And I mean, she's talented. This lady is talented. If you are if you decide to do this, find or rather ask around and see if there is any henna specialist in your place so that they do you good. Yeah, and look at it, just amazing. I just loved it. I'm just envisioning myself sometime with henna somewhere just walking. This is me flexing. I mean, it looks wow. And it only took like 30 minutes and it was so dry. So wonderful. Thanks for watching. This is all I had. Yeah, bye.